Get more views now. 4 YouTube secrets you need to know. What's up, everybody? It's Barrister. And if you're here, you're probably ready to turn those YouTube dreams into a reality. Am I right? Are you uploading videos consistently, but still not getting the views you want? Does it feel like your content is just sitting in a quiet corner of YouTube, waiting to be discovered? Well, you're not alone. And guess what? Today, I'm going to share 4 powerful strategies to help you grow your channel, boost your views, and keep viewers coming back for more. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video because you might miss the one tip that could change everything. And hey, have you subscribed yet? I've got something amazing coming up that I know you'll love, so hit that button now and let's dive in. Alright, let's get real for a second. You pour your heart and soul into making these awesome videos, but nobody's sticking around long enough to see how great they really are. Sound familiar? It all comes down to those first few seconds. Your intro, think of it like this. You wouldn't believe how many times I've clicked on a video that looked promising, only to be met with a boring intro that made me want to jump out the window. The first 30 seconds are crucial. It's your chance to grab the viewer by the collar and say, hey, you're gonna love this. Most viewers decide right then and there if they're going to stick around or click away. So, here's the trick. Give them an immediate payoff. Your intro should match your thumbnail and title. Don't be that person who promises an epic gaming montage in the thumbnail and then spends the first minute talking about their cat. For example, if your thumbnail promises 4 game-changing YouTube tips, your opening line should sound something like, today I'll share 4 strategies that can double your views, starting with 1 most creators overlook. Be clear, be exciting, and most importantly, keep it snappy. And let me tell you, keeping it snappy wasn't always my strong suit. Back when I first started, my internet connection was slower than a snail in a staring contest. I'm talking dial-up speeds, people. I swear, I had to bribe the internet gods with cookies just to get my first video to upload. But hey, we all start somewhere, right? The point is, you gotta make every second count. Keep your intros short, sweet, and packed with personality, and you'll hook your audience right from the start. Okay, folks, get ready to unlock a secret weapon that most YouTubers are sleeping on: subtitles. I'm not just talking about helping out our friends who need them, but this is about reaching a global audience. You know how much I love a good challenge, right? Well, imagine trying to understand someone speaking a language you've never heard before. That's what it's like for viewers who stumble upon your video, but don't speak your language. But here's the thing, YouTube's a global playground with people from all walks of life speaking all sorts of languages. We're talking millions of potential viewers in India, Nigeria, the Philippines, you name it. By adding subtitles in multiple languages, you're basically rolling out the red carpet for a whole new world of viewers. It's like you're saying, hey, come on in, the water's fine, and trust me, they'll appreciate it. Now I know what you're thinking. Subtitles? Sounds like a lot of work. But hold your horses, because it's way easier than you think. YouTube's got your back with this one. Here's how you do it. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Subtitles, review YouTube's auto-generated captions, and then add new languages using auto-translate. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling in viewers from every corner of the internet. Seriously, it's easier than trying to explain to your grandma how Wi-Fi works. And trust me, I've been there. But in all seriousness, subtitles are a game changer. They make your content more accessible, they boost your viewership, and they show that you care about connecting with people from all over the world. So what are you waiting for? It's time to break down those language barriers and take your channel global. Chapter 3. Link your shorts to long-form content. Alright, let's talk about YouTube Shorts, the bite-sized videos that are taking the platform by storm. Now I know what some of you are thinking. Shorts? But I'm trying to get people to watch my longer videos, and that's exactly why I'm so hyped about this next strategy. Think of shorts as little teasers, like those free samples they give you at the grocery store. They give you a taste of what you're missing and leave you wanting more. And when you link those shorts to your longer videos, you're basically saying, hey, you like that? Well, buckle up, because I've got a whole feast waiting for you over here. Here's the thing. Attention spans are getting shorter than a hamster on a treadmill. People want their entertainment quick and easy. But that doesn't mean they don't have time for longer content. It just means you've got to hook them first. That's where shorts come in. They're the perfect way to grab attention, showcase your personality, and leave viewers wanting more. And when you link them to your longer content, you're giving them a direct path to satisfy that craving. Here's what you do. After uploading your short, go to YouTube Studio, select the related video section, and link it to your latest upload. It's like saying, hey, you enjoyed this? Here's more where that came from. And let's be honest, if you're not using shorts yet, you're basically leaving views on the table. Trust me, linking your shorts to your longer videos is like building a bridge between two awesome worlds. It's a win-win for everyone. Chapter 4. Optimize SEO like a pro. Alright, it's time to get down to business and talk about the backbone of YouTube's success, search engine optimization, or SEO for short. Now, before your eyes glaze over, I promise this isn't as scary or boring as it sounds. Think of SEO as the secret code that tells YouTube what your video is all about. It's like giving your video a VIP backstage pass to the top of the search results. And the best part? It's totally free. All you gotta do is understand how to play the game. First things first, your title. This is your video's first impression, so make it count. Use keywords that people are actually searching for. For example, let's say your video is about easy dinner recipes. Your title could be 5 easy dinner recipes you can make in 20 minutes. Simple, clear, and keyword-rich. Next up, your description. This is your chance to give YouTube and potential viewers a sneak peek into what your video is all about. Don't just write a boring summary. Use relevant keywords and phrases that people might type into the search bar. And don't forget about tags. Think of tags as little breadcrumbs that lead viewers straight to your video. Use a mix of broad and specific tags to cover all your bases. Now I know this might seem like a lot to remember, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it'll become second nature. And the payoff is huge. By optimizing your SEO, you're making sure your video gets seen by the right people. It's like having a superpower that helps you cut through the noise and stand out from the crowd. So, don't underestimate the power of SEO. And there you have it. 4 powerful strategies to boost your YouTube views and take your channel to the next level. Now, I want to hear from you. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Before you go, remember, consistency is key, but so is using these strategies. And hey, if you found this video helpful, support the channel by subscribing and sharing it with your fellow creators. Trust me, I've got something big coming up that's going to blow your mind. So hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.